kama ngina wokumaliza na ina wokumali kwa imaloti like kutizani kuteka mpini boti kwa vile kabisa so usmana jina ndamba kuimba kozo inasiki kwa na kozo kujiro tu unajua kuita sai na intention ya kuita ni lazima ni moloko. But what I did CD ya kuru kama ya sanity Tanzania atwaka lo bachinga au nzitukira ni walo yagambi wale wenanga atinga na kama kusomero ya so yeah no so what is so ni muita na kale kanisa yona nenda tulibacho so uwe yona kale kanisa nisituko kuwayo abatubata nikumufua subaraja na gamba bude bwakola ki bwakuwayo ngabatusuka wao ekiweebwayo ebiseera ebifu byabeeranga okuwaayo olwekulu bali boyina okumakinga sure nti ekiko kibaawo. But anyway, today we've seen gospel music change, gospel music urbanized in terms of beats and sound. Today we have R&B, we have dancehall, we have reggae and all the things, but the message has still stayed the same, has still stayed Jesus. And I want to be honest, I have seen Pastor Bugembe evolve from omuntu eyali munaku eyayimba ng'ebyennaku kuwati yali amanyi to a person that is singing celebratory music because he knows too much now that takyali munaku eri Mukama teyamuteeka. Sometimes I have issues and conflicting issues with people who constantly feel like he needs to constantly sing eri bannange jiro yatambula ng'osanga ebipapula onoonye ssente tudde temukyalona ssente ate twazilondanga. So today he can't again sing the same thing. You know? Twende twasanga mazima mazikutambula lolonda ssente. But today tusasula zilonda bwotyo just like that. So music can still remain the same and it can stay the same. And again, the evolution of music, the beats, the sound, a lot of things keep changing. So today I want to commend Pastor Wilson Bugembe for staying relevant for 20 years. 20 years. It is still in the dispensation of Kobe Bly, the dispensation of Levinson, and every other young artist is still nominated as an artist of the year, nominated as a male artist of the year. Guys, 20 years is no joke. I have seen many as a media personality. I've seen many come and go. Many stay there for 1 year, many stay there for 2 months. Olina jana atibira buluwati na kusibula na yesewo omusubo okusigala nga akyaliwo for 20 years. So I want, it's not a joke. It needs to be celebrated and celebrated. So we honor you, Musumba, and for that. And also Douglas, thank you very much for your support for gospel music over the time. I still remember you as a young man who used to dance. Yeah, so I no, we are all in my 40s, but I am really
it is okay.
Exactly. So I see for but honestly speaking, when I look at all these men here, Kobe Bryant, now Torosake BJ, and we look school tours. Levinson, I think one of his first performances was 16. Again, I did his shows as well. And I did pay him. So
I was 15 years old.
But we are grateful to God. We are grateful to God. So we have a testimony, we know where we come from, and we know what our God has done for us. In a few days from now, we'll be also announcing something that God has done for the gospel industry. But today, can we honor and celebrate Pastor Bugembe? I know some of you thank JP here with MTN for constantly standing in for gospel leaders. Thank you very much. So may the Lord bless you.
Thank you so much, Wesley. Wesley, you know, your double twin is supposed to be Mr. Mosh. Mr. Mosh. Yawanga platform abayimbi abasayidde nga MC nga tegekera ebikulu kati kwe nawe tusayidde bya gospel looks like era ne Moshi alina tabasasula. So both sides don't you go Moshi? Thank you so much. Lastly, or second last, or third last, I'll pass the mic to Pastor Twini. If you're speaking to a young gospel artist, what would you advise them on those, especially who want to stay as long as the 20 years? Because when I was 20 years, I was a young opposite to Kako.
I told them I cannot go China. So 20 is not.
Yeah, so what would you advise them to be able to stay as long as Pastor Wilson Bugembe?
There is a life of Pastor Wilson that is not in the camera, and that is the life of the journey with the Lord. I will speak to a young gospel artist that gospel is not just melody and sound. Gospel is the good news. In our Bibles, we have the second Azina glad tidings. I think what would keep us in the journey for a long time is walking with the Lord, for He is the source of our life. Not only breath, but life even in the music we sing. So the journey I've walked with Pastor Wilson from when I was in Toroni, I know there is a life of pastor that is not in the camera. The people who work with him, who see him on paper, in papers and on TV, will not understand that what sustains him is his personal dedication and love for God and for the gospel. So gospel music remains gospel if we are communicating not ourselves, but the message of God. And again, if we continue making him the source, the river from which we draw what we give the world. And of course, it also brings back to character, your relationship with the world. Pastor also is one person I know who is in good relationship terms with almost everybody. The media house, the politicians, the crazy and the humble. So I think character also attributes to the journey. So you don't have many people pulling you down. When everybody is pushing you up, it's an additional, factor. Briefly, Uganda, nothing about the Abu Sesoklava. Nothing about the Ndiwa Musa, in the Tamil Suma Wake, or Vaga Neme Kakumini.
Our year in America.
So nothing about the Omusuma Wafe, in the Shuanti, one Bugulamwe. Ensibu etamani obutali mukamera obutali mupapula ate obulamu bwe mumufudde kino nze mbuyita bulamu bwa kutambula na Katonda n'alabya abantu ba Kristo musonga ono ayagala Katonda ku mutima ebitali bya kamera ate n'okumulonda kubanga Pastor Justin ajulira twatambuzangako ebimu twatambuza ebiri nga tugenda ku lusozi okusaba kama nomwe tugende ku lusozi okusaba naye tuba tutambula omwana omunaga amuseka omusumba nitayina transport omusumba nakiwulira nagamba tolesitaani fenna nakozesa transport nagamba teribinya bwemuzi bawadde. We have walked long distances to once seek the Lord. We have gone months without food seeking the Lord. So gamba nti obulamu nti gospel music omuyimbi obutayi obukimanya nti enjiri ya Katonda teba melody yokka teba luyimba luwomba mu matu kyokka naye ekigambo kya Katonda ng'emitima gy'abantu kati ekigambo tetukifumbisa bwongo kyokka tukiteerera nyini kyo akituwa ne tukibawa. So if you're going to live longer in the gospel world oba ogenda kuwangala mu music gospel tova ku nsulo yaffe nga teye Kristo ekisembayo kibadde nti neekolagana ye ne the rest of the community bannamawulire osanga bayibi ba gospel yakajja neyakolera tusula muni agaza oligenda kumugyayo so amakulu ga gospel music negakuki negabula nosanga te yalwanagana ne bannamawulire ne Pastor Wilson Bugembe neekolagana ye n'abantu abangi abobugenza ab'ebyobufuzi. I think Pastor Wilson is one of the most connected men I've seen. Buli wamanyi wamanyiyo. So I think that is also an addition. Eri omuntu engeri gye weeyisa kikulu. Bw'oba otandise okuba ng'oyimba gospel music ne character yo kikulu.
Thank you so much. Second last